summer camp friends, it's Gillian from Cool Crafts. I'm really sorry that we can't meet you this year. Obviously everything that's going on, and we really miss you so much. But guess what? We're going to have camp next year for definite. So we're going to do a few things by video, and this is one of them. We're going to do Oobleck. You know, we like to make a mess in this class. So in this box that we have, we're doing a Cool Crafts box for you all. We have all kinds of things in here. We have Oobleck, we have slime, we have tie-dye, we have the candy sushi, and we have a wind chime. So you're going to get all kinds of things in here, and you can also add your own things also. You can also add whatever you like to add to the color, to the beads, to the candy. If you want to make more sushi, you can add your own things. You know, guys, what you're doing. Okay. So for this is the Oobleck. It's a bag of cornstarch and color. It's already pre-made for you. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it in the bowl in here. So you can find your own bowl. Make sure that you know, ask your mom just in case, because you don't want to pour it on any bowl. So you're going to put it in here like this, okay, and then you're going to fill up your water, and you'll have all the recipes to make sure you do it exactly right. Make sure I pour all that in there. All right, we're going to pour it in here. You're going to mix it all in. You can use your hands, or you can use, I'm going to use this plastic knife. So we're going to mix it round. We're going to mix it round here. And this is the coolest color, one of my favorite, fluorescent lemon or lime. It's really cool. So once you've really mixed it all up, and you know Oobleck, it gets thicker and then it goes like a liquid. And I know a lot of you like to make this. You're going to mix it as much as you can. If you've got something like this tray, you can pour it into this. Or maybe, I'm trying to think of a bigger bowl, maybe you want to pour it in there. But you can pour it in here, something like this, and you can watch it. Like I say, you can move it around. You could add, if you wanted to add more coloring in, but also you can really kind of like move it and feel it. And like get messy. But if you want to also make your own, you can add cornstarch and water. You can put food coloring in it, but it's messy and it's really fun. Like I say, if you leave it, it will go hard, and then eventually, depending on the temperature of your house, it tends to go back to a liquid. So it goes hard and liquid. Okay? So this is a really fun one. But make sure you got all that powder in there. Maybe I needed a bit more. But it's sticky too. If you want to wear gloves, that's fine. But I'm going to take my glove off and feel it. Oh, that feels even better. Yeah, I'm going to take my gloves off. Heal up. Feels really good. It feels really good. All right. See you soon, guys.